Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the best semi-automatic welding welder, the Decap Power Fusion. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your welding journey, this machine is designed to make your work smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Product features: 6-in-1 multi-process capability. The Fusion handles MIG, MAG, MMA, HF-TIG, and cut modes, giving you flexibility for every project. From small repairs to big builds, it adapts so your creativity can flow. User-friendly interface. Its large, clear control panel makes operations simple and intuitive. Even if you're new to welding, you'll feel confident and in control, switching modes with ease. High-efficiency cooling system. Long projects can be tough on machines, but the Fusion stays cool and reliable. You can focus on your work knowing the welder will perform steadily without overheating. PMCT 205 cutting function. Cut materials up to 16 millimeters thick effortlessly. This feature expands your possibilities, letting you handle fabrication or repair work efficiently and confidently. Robust 4-roller wire feeding system. Smooth and consistent wire feeding ensures every weld is precise. You'll notice the difference in quality, making your projects look professional, even if you're learning. Pros: flexible 6-in-1 functionality for diverse projects. Intuitive interface for easy operation. Reliable cooling system for long welding sessions. Cutting capability for materials up to 16 millimeters thick. Smooth 4-roller wire feeding ensures high-quality welds. Cons: beginners may need a little time to get familiar with setup. Slightly larger size requires adequate workspace. Higher investment than basic welders, but it's a long-term tool. Final thoughts. The Decap Power Fusion Semi-Automatic Welding Welder is more than just a machine. It's a dependable partner in your projects. Its versatility, reliability, and thoughtful design make it suitable for both newcomers and seasoned welders. Whether crafting, repairing, or building, it supports your work with confidence and precision. Take your welding projects to the next level with ease and confidence. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for tools that truly make your work easier and more rewarding. Be